Alright, man, I ain't even gonna lie. This shit got disrespect this week, man. This shit is crazy. I don't even know what happened. It was sliding smooth, and then shit, when I got out that bit with, I'm talking about, bruh, just disrespectful. The rain, the dirt. Look, don't judge me. I'm saying don't judge me. But that's alright. We gonna get that bit cleaned up right now. You feel me? I don't be knowing about y'all, but shit, I still hand wash my shit. I be feeling like, bruh, I be feeling like it ain't complete to that bit. You got to put hands on it.
2,000 years later.
That be it bad. That be it bad. I said that be it bad. That be look 1,000% more clean.